You have a customer. Go ahead.
Hi. Hi. I want to order some food, please.
What kind of desserts do you have?
I want to have some ice cream.
I'll have a slice of pizza. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Wow, the ice cream looks really yummy. Add syrup and it'll taste even better. Add some delicious top. You do not have enough gold coins. Make some delicious food for your customers and earn more coins. You've made a sweet and delicious ice cream. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Spread a layer of sauce on the dough. What toppings do you want? Bacon, mushroom, tomato. Mushroom, tomato, bacon. With cheese, it'll taste even better. Put the pizza into the pizza oven and bake it. Wow, you've made a delicious pizza. Here's your order. Ice cream, pizza. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
I want to order some food, please. I am so thirsty. What kind of I'll have a cake. I will have some fruit juice.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Mix the ingredients first. Awesome! Now pour them into the mold. Oh yeah, now you can put it in the oven. Which cream do you like best? You do not have enough gold coin. Milk flavor. Our delicious cake is done. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. What fruit juice do you want to make? Kiwi. Hammy. Pear. I can't wait to make some fruit juice. Whoa, the fruit juice is done. With ice, it'll taste even better. The delicious fruit juice is done. Here's your order. Fruit juice. Cake. Cake. Fruit juice. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead. The tables are full. Go get some gold coins first.
It's really delicious. It's really delicious. Here's a
coin.
Oh, the food is fantastic. Here's a coin.
Hi, I want to order some food, please. I want to have a donut.
This is what the customer ordered. Put the dough into the pan and fry it. Look, there are a lot of creams. Choose one you like. Strawberry flavor. Strawberry flavor. Green pea flavor. Green pea flavor. Top it with candy and it'll taste better. Wow, you've made a donut. Here's your food. Donut. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer.
You
Go
know how to
ahead.
make good food. Here's a coin.
Hi. Hi, I want to order some. I'll have a cup of flower tea.
This is what the customer ordered. What flower would you like to pick? Rose. Pour some hot water to open the leaves. Here's some healthy and tasty rose tea. Here's your drink. Flower tea. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer.
It's
Go
really
ahead.
delicious. Here's a coin. Hi. Hi, I want to order some food. I want to have some cookies.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's roll out the dough together. Choose your favorite shape. Wow! Earning gold coins can get new things. You do not have enough gold coins. Make some delicious food for your customers and earn more coins. Oh yeah, now you can put it in the oven. Use the space bar to see what happens. You've made sweet and crispy cookies. Here's your food. Cookie! Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer.
It's
Go
really
ahead.
delicious. Here's a